What's good, YouTube? Back at it again, man, with some more course content. And today, really, I just want to do a long term investments course for all my new investors. Really, just people that just want to have a safer route and a safer experience in the stock market. Because trading stocks is a whole another ball game to this. Long term investing is really a simple game. Really, all it is buying low and selling high. And what you want to do with this, you never want to buy at an all-time high or a yearly or recent high. More than likely, you want to get a stock when it's on a red day. And that's really the best part about long-term investments is if you have a economic event like a recession or anything like that, when you're in a recession, you know that's your time that you need to be buying up that whole time you're in a recession because eventually, whatever that last high was, you're gonna get that again. And you're gonna create a newer high that's even crazier. Because at the end of the day, the market wants to go up. It doesn't want to go down, but it just has to go down to go higher sometimes. But really, let's get into the video, man. So really, main keys are already said the first two, but the third one is major too. Investing money you don't need. If you're gonna invest money that you gonna have to take out eventually, you don't even want to invest it because the key to this investing game is, especially with the long term stuff, is we're going from 1 to 3 years to 5 to 10 years on these stocks. We're just holding the whole time for real. Because that's how you really get the most out of all of your plays. Because you want to be patient inside of the long term game. Because say you buy Tesla at, I'm trying to think of a good example. Okay, so 10 years ago, or COVID, or actually 2022, for example. If you bought hella stocks in 2022, you bank. Let's go ahead and get to this. Recession year. 2022 recession year. We're down dummy. Apple's down 27%. Google's down 40%. Amazon down 54%. Tesla down 72%. Meta down 77%. And you're seeing this the whole time. And just know all that downtrend that we just had is just going to generate more power to go up. So when you see a recession or anything like this, you should be happy as an investor because this is how we're about to keep on reading up on assets and we're about to change our whole life, really. Because the recession can really, you can double, triple, 10 times your damn net worth. Just because if you invest your money the right way and in the right companies, you can never go wrong. And how you invest into the right companies, you need to take a look at their balance sheets, which we'll get to shortly. We'll get to in the next video. Balance sheets. You need to make sure their financials are straight and all that. If they're profitable, are they returning profit? Are they gaining more money? Because that's the key. You also want to think about, what does this business do? Is this business something that's going to be useful in the future? Is it something that's useful now? Are they expanding? Expansion is key because we need to start making more profits. And then you need to have a company that knows how to adjust and knows how to really just switch it up. Like, they ain't just going to rely on one thing. They going to get it all done. You need a company like that. Really, like I was saying, Apple, from that low, if you bought Apple from then, if the start of 2025 after the bull run, before all this tanking that we've been doing, Apple is up 81%, Google is up 117%, Amazon is up 176%, Tesla is up 251%, and my favorite stock of them all, Meta, is up 681%. If I was old enough to invest in stocks and I knew about this game back then, I would be a very sad man. Because Meta and Tesla are literally up insane numbers. You could 681% your money just because you bought some Meta stock and they keep on expanding, keep on getting better. Meta ain't never gonna go nowhere. They just gonna keep on going up. Meta is literally Facebook and Instagram. People love IG. They're getting better with the reels and everything that they do. Same thing with Facebook. It's just gonna keep on growing, growing, growing. Same as Tesla. It's Elon Musk, one of the richest men in the world, if not the richest. I don't even know who the top dog is right now. It probably is Elon though. Elon is killing the game. That's a great CEO that you want to back. If you buying a share, you got a piece of Tesla. Same with Amazon. Same with Google. Same with Apple. Like, this stock game is really simple, and it's like, if you just buy and you be patient, the market will reward you. The market rewards the most patient people. But I just want y'all all to know this ain't no get rich quick scheme. Really, with this, you got to keep on investing. You got to just keep on building your position sizes so you can catch the most of all these moves. Cause say you get 100% and you put 5 bands in, you just 100% of your money doing nothing. You got a complete return doing nothing, man. As simple as that. You can put a car payment in for a car. You can invest in yourself. If you invest that same money that you're throwing in for that car every month, I guarantee you the stock's gonna pay off every time. Because this is a whole asset that you have for life. You don't lose in a long-term game until you sell. And you don't ever have to really sell. You can hold this for life if you wanted to. Like, if you really play the game the right way and you hold this for 10 to 20 years, you're going to be setting up a whole lot of money just because you decided to invest early. And the key to this investing game is really time. The younger that you are, the better it will be for you. Simple as that. But really, this sheet right here, man, take a picture, this is a basic little sheet of the long-term investing keys that we're really going to be getting into and why you need to be investing. This is a free way to double, triple, quadruple, 10 times your net worth. Especially if we go into a recession. If we go into a recession, you better be buying up stocks this whole time. Don't be buying no clothes, none of that shit. Buying straight stocks, because when we come back up, you're going to be happy as hell. 2030 is going to be a movie. Because all these stocks are about to come down and they about to come right back up. Simple as that. The whole point of the game is to go create new highs and go higher. Always remember that. But the key to this really is just having a good entry. If a stock is overbought, you wait and you wait. Don't get greedy and be like, oh, it's going up, I need to get it. Because that's when you mess yourself up, because you buy too high. Then we come back down for the smart people to go ahead and buy it back up. You're going to be mad like, oh, damn, I should have waited. Just always wait, because always know it's going to come back down. Just like it's going to go back up, it's more than likely going to come back down, because anything could happen. We could have a damn terrorist attack, it shoot the market down. Trump get shot, like anything, it just move the market down. So you just got to play it smart, buy at a good time, and just sit and forget about it. Don't even think about it. And that's why I say invest money you don't need, because if you're looking at this money as money that you're going to need in the next few months or next year, then you're going to be in trouble, because you want to hold this for at least 1 to 3 years. That's the shortest amount. 5 to 10 years is really the ideal point. But yeah, man, that's just going to be our first video for the course. Long-term investing keys. Going to be having a lot of long-term investing call-outs in our Discord down below. Tap in on the link if you're trying to get the sauce. Let's get this money, man.